Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Today is August 3, 2021. I'd like to ask your apologies for yesterday's video. I was a little bit got stuck up in something, but nonetheless, we are back on schedule. So, the first article that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper is SC questions states on cases under section 66A. Please do read this article because there would be a possible question on this in terms of any state level examination, and this is an important development because a law has been found to be unconstitutional, yet it is being used. Now, moving on to the next article, that is economy related. At 35 billion, July exports 34, higher than pre-COVID level. This is again regarded to economic recovery. Please do realize what are the parameters or factors that they are talking about that aided in increase in exports for this period. Now, moving on to the next article, no agreement yet on Gogra and hot springs. This you have to read in lieu of in terms of the recent tensions between India and China in eastern Ladakh. Now, moving on to page number 3, HC notice to Delhi government on implementation of Mental Health Care Act. Please do read what Mental Health Care Act is because a lot is being discussed in terms of mental health. So, this will give you the perspective of legislation in terms of treating or aiding mental health care in India. Moving on to page number 5, SC offers mediation in Kerala dispute. This is in regards to Andhra Telangana fighting or having disagreements over the quantity of water or water sharing agreement that they both have in regards to formation of Andhra and Telangana post reorganization. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now, moving on to page number 6, editorial. The first article that I would like you to read is the cusp, which deals to troubles with vaccination and the problems in second wave. The next article is fathoming zero survey data with caution. This is again an informative article. Just read it from an observer standpoint of view. I don't see much importance for examination. Now again, disconcerting picture behind the headline numbers. So this is again regards to the labor force survey that was conducted and the data related to it. Please do try to read it from an observer standpoint of view. Apart from it, just to get an understanding of what the situation is. Apart from that, please don't allocate as much as time you would to any other editorial. Now, moving on to the next page number 7, that is op-ed, the hacking of Indian democracy. This is again regards to Pegasus observer point of view. Try to understand what the author is trying to say here. Apart from that, don't get bogged down into the details. So now, moving on to the most important editorial, which is related to both ethics and legislation and social welfare. Criminalizing welfare issues. This is in regards to the recent Supreme Court notice on writ petition that asked for preventing begging or beggars and other homeless people from carrying out their activities in public areas or marketplaces and so on and so forth. Try to read this article. This is very important from ethics standpoint of view, and this would be a possible way that you can say that legislation is not always the solution. There are other ways one problem can be solved with state intervention. Now, moving on to the next one, this is regards to national education policy and the way that the national education policy has to be implemented in regards to teachers and teacher training and use of technology in teaching. That is, we need more creators. Please do concentrate more on the editorial about the welfare and little bit concentration on this. If you can skip all the editorials. Now, moving on to page number 8, that is news. Amid protests, LS passes bills to amend Insurance Act. PRS legislative summary, how different it is from the old act. Now, moving on to page number 9, that is news. No agreement yet on Gogra and Hot Springs. This is again reading from the back standpoint of view of tensions in eastern Ladakh with China. Now, this is most important. Preventive detention only to forestall public disorder. Supreme Court, please do concentrate on this article. This is GS2. Very important. Try to make notes on this. Now, moving on, ex-Australian PM Abbott in India to push trade talks. Try to understand what CECA is, how different it is from other trade agreements. Try to find out difference between multilateral trade agreements, bilateral trade agreements, and unilateral trade agreements. Once you understand that, this article will be clear for you. and also try to read why India has been pursuing bilateral trade agreements instead of multilateral trade agreements. Now moving on to next article, Jaishankar likely to attend swearing in of Raisi. This is just an informative article, not important in terms of exam. Now page number 10, Delta and its sublineages reduce Covaxin antibodies, ICMR study, just informative, don't worry about it. Now PM Modi launches digital payment solution e-rupee. Now this is the most important article in terms of reading digital rupee or virtualization of Indian currency. Now if you have time, there is an explained article in the Indian Express explaining the every aspect of e-rupee. Try to read that explained article, and also this article. This is an important article because there is a possibility that question might be asked in this regard. Now read this article, read yesterday's Hindu newspaper, and also read explained from Indian Express regarding e-rupee. Now moving on, experts warn against mandatory food fortification. This article is also very important. Try to understand what food fortification is, what is the role of FSSAI. It is the nodal agency for carrying out food fortification in India, and go to their website. Try to read what kind of fortification is being done to which food item. Right, they are adding wheat, iron to wheat and rice. They are also adding vitamin B12, B minerals to other oils and so on. So get that list where they are fortifying, which kind of they are fortifying, and also read why it is dangerous. That is what this article gives. You will get a 360-degree understanding if you go to their website and read what fortification is being done, what are the advantages of fortification, and if you read this, you will get what are the disadvantages of fortification. Now moving on to page number 11, US pullout worsened Afghan crisis. Ghani, this is important because we have to read everything about Afghanistan to be aware of what is going on. Now moving on, J&K is integral and inalienable part of India, says Tirumurthy. This is in the backdrop of India. Moving on, J&K is integral and inalienable part of India, says Tirumurthy. This is in regards to the backdrop of where India assumes the presidency of UNSC, and this is the opening kind of a statement. Please do read what they are saying here and how significant it is. Now moving on to the next article, that is business PMI hints at manufacturing recovery. What is PMI? What are the factors that they look into measure PMI, and how significant is PMI in ensuring a recovery? What parameters are considered? Please do read this article. This will help you in understanding how economic recovery is measured in a country, particularly India. Now moving on, no formal proposal for Crane to settle dispute. This is in regards to the Crane settlement where retrospective taxation bit India in the back. Two things, what is the arbitration, what is the dispute, what is the backdrop to it. Try to read everything in regards to that. Now these are the important articles that you should read in the Hindu newspaper for today. Once again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support. I would like you to subscribe, share, comment, like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy preparation.